Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale Finale on Recorder. First, let's get ready. Make sure your recorder is clean and ready to go. We'll cover the essential fingerings for the notes you'll need, from low C to high C. Remember to blow gently and consistently to get a beautiful, clear sound. Proper hand position, left hand on top and right hand below, is key for comfortable playing. Now let's focus on the specific notes for Undertale Finale. You'll primarily use notes from the D major scale, including D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, and high D. Practicing the D major scale will greatly improve your finger agility. Remember, F sharp is a crucial note, played by covering holes 1, 2, 3, and 6. For high D, cover holes 2 and 3 with your left hand and the thumb hole. Let's break down the melody into smaller, more manageable sections. The iconic opening phrase begins with a clear D, E, F sharp, G pattern. Focus on mastering each phrase individually before connecting them. The rhythm is quite dynamic, often featuring quick 8th and 16th notes, so precision is important. Start practicing with a metronome at a slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase your speed as you gain confidence. Finally, let's add some expression to your performance. Varying your breath support will allow you to create dynamic shifts, making the music more engaging. Consider adding a subtle vibrato to longer, sustained notes for a touch of warmth. Practice the entire piece slowly, ensuring smooth and seamless transitions between all the notes. Most importantly, listen to the original Undertale Finale to truly capture its emotional depth and unique character.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.